Hi everybody, this is a recording of Storm Chasing by William Owens, the tuba part. Let's talk about a couple things before we run through the whole piece. Check your tempo in the beginning, the calm before, the storm, quarter note equals 90 beats per minute. It's not that fast. Count your rests carefully. Notice at measure 13, it doesn't say 13, but it happens, well, obviously after measure 12. The storm starts. Quarter note equals 152. The tempo changes. You need to watch your conductor so that you can keep up. Pay attention to your dynamics. Underneath measure 12 and measure 14 and measure 22 are crescendos. Remember, crescendo means you start soft and then you get louder. It creates interest for the music. It makes it more interesting. Find measure 15. Underneath the C in measure 15 is a little accent. They do happen in other places. An accent means that you have to tongue the note a little bit harder than the other notes. It's more important than other notes around it. It's weighted. This is called an accent. Find measure 27. You have a slur between the C and the B flat. Keep them smooth. Tongue the C, not the B flat. Find measure 41. Do you see the repeat dots? Find the other repeat dots so that you know when you have to go back to 41. You play 41, 42, 43, 44, and you repeat back to 41 and you do it again. Either highlight it, circle it, draw a giant arrow, something so that you don't miss it. Finally, skip all the way to the bottom, measure 57. Those little V's that are underneath your C's, those are called marcato. Marcato means that it's an accent, but it's short. So it's a little bit different than the other accents in that it's shorter. The musical jump start at the bottom is not part of the piece. It's just a warm-up. Maybe your conductor will do that in your rehearsal. Let's start right from the beginning. I'm going to put on a recording of the entire band playing it just for the beginning while I play along, because it's important to know what else is happening in the piece when you're playing and when you're not playing. So during your 4 measures of rest, you need to know what's happening. When we get to measure 12, the conductor will not stop, but so that I can change to the metronome, I'm going to stop for a second, change to the metronome at a quarter note equals 152, and then I'll play the rest of it. Okay, so this is Storm Chasing. Let's start in the beginning. 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2. Nice and soft. Stop for a second, and let's play with the metronome. This is measure 13, where the storm starts. 1, 2, 1, 2, big breath. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, look. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3. Thanks for watching. Good luck.